Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share PlayStation Plus on your PS5 Pro. Now, this is very simple. Just on the home screen, what we want to do is go up to the top, go to Settings, then go down to Users and Accounts, and then go down to where it says Other. Go to the right, go to Console Sharing and Offline Play. This will allow you to share your games and applications on your main account, the account you're signed in right now, to every other account. So choose this, and then go to where it says Enable. Now, if you have a PS5, your PS5 might already be enabled for console sharing and offline play, so you won't be able to do it unless you go to your PS5 or go online at PlayStation.com. You can deactivate all your consoles on there, and then you'll have to come back to here and then enable this console. And then you should be able to share all your games and PS Plus with all other accounts on your PS5 Pro or your standard PS5. So you just go to your account now, and you can see I have PlayStation Plus. Now every one of these games I can go, or other accounts on here, I can go to and start playing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.